Yo, Windcrease team, what's going on? It is March 6, 2021. You know the market closed yesterday, so let's jump right into it. First thing you see right now is the S&P. S&P closed at 3841.94. So we've recently had some pullbacks happen. Here is what I see. Now, last week I had pointed out that I'm looking at this as a rounded top that recently happened, and I said that if we hit this level around 3,700, that it would likely bounce and try to come back to this level, which is around 3860, 3870 or so. I said last week that this is the potential setup for an head and shoulder pattern. So far, we're looking like that may happen. We still need this shoulder to develop if that's going to be the case. We've closed below our 20-day. And what I'm looking at here is that bounce here around this area. We're likely going to retrace that eventually. So I'm not looking for anything to happen other just to be on watch to see how this plays out. Currently, my positions myself is I am in a neutral strategies where I'm looking for this just to relax. I'm not looking for anything to continue to go higher right now at this moment. So that is the S&P. Let's go ahead and check out my favorite, the Russell, as ticker IWM. Now, IWM has a little bit more definition to what I'm talking about here. We've seen that it moved higher, bounced, did not hold. We had ourselves a bearish engulf at this point, moved lower, and now we made a hammer candle on this part. A hammer candle on this situation has typically given me the signal that there's going to be a continuation. If so, this continuation will come back to test this 210 and likely make a newer low, because as you can see, the current pattern is lower lows and lower highs. So we'll see what happens. So that is my analysis for this week. Don't forget to check out Stocks and Bars every single month. That's on any podcast platform. Don't forget to also check out my brothers Marathon Money every single week, where they give you stock picks. And sign up for Marathon Money Plus, where you get all the access to all the future stock picks. Any questions, you know to get at me. Any social media. That's at Windcrease Team. You enjoy yourself the rest of this weekend. I'm out of here. Peace.